Hi everyone, hope you're doing fine. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. So I wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing slash review of the Look Fantastic December 2019 beauty box. I already opened up a couple of things. Obviously, I was very anxious. Look Fantastic does international shipping, and I bought this and I live in Japan. I used to actually live in the States, so I've tried beauty boxes like Birchbox, BoxyCharm, Ipsy before, and I wanted to try something else. So without further ado, first they have the leaflet that talks about the products, and then you get a subscription to Elle Magazine, and this month is Katie Holmes. And the first product is the Eylure London Fluttery Light Eyelashes. Plus, they have glue, as you can see. And then I already opened this, but it's a sleek eyeshadow palette. And the colors are beautiful. And then it comes with your amazing eyeliner, it's called. And the company is called, Ico London. And then it comes with a Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel. And it says for instantly smoother, brighter, softer skin. And then it also comes with Bumble and Bumble BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat UV Protector Primer. And then the last thing is Pry Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. I've tried the mask so far, and I am actually pretty impressed with the mask. And I signed up for the 6-month subscription. So far, this is the first box, and I'm pretty satisfied, and I'm impressed. And let me tell you something, I was beyond excited for when it came, and even like, it's kind of funny, but you can even keep the box itself. Look at the box. It's so pretty too. You can keep it and you can reuse it for something else, and it's a pretty hard cardboard too, so that really, that benefits me too in several things. But for sure, I am going to recommend this Look Fantastic. The company, the beauty box, also the company sells beauty products, hair care, skincare, everything, and they've got really great prices and really great deals. And I'm for sure not only going to get the beauty boxes, which I'm already subscribed to 6 months, but I'm going to get much more. Like, I'm going to go on their website and buy beauty products because they do ship internationally, and I live in Tokyo, Japan. And to be honest, it's pretty hard to get a lot of products here. Like, you have no clue how many products we don't even have here. Like, stuff like Benefit or Urban Decay. Like, there's so many cosmetics that we can't get here. We don't have any Walmart or Target or Macy's or any of these places here, and everything is super expensive. So Look Fantastic really makes it easier to get access to all of those things. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, and thank you again, Look Fantastic.